Hello friends, I installed QuickShare app from my PC. I download this QuickShare app from Microsoft Store. This is the QuickShare app. When I run this app, there is a message to use QuickShare. You need to update your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi device. Okay, friends. Now I am going to tell you how to do this. When I go to the QuickShare website, there is support specifications. There is a Bluetooth drivers, Intel. This is the driver version we want. Bluetooth drivers and Wi-Fi drivers. This is the Wi-Fi drivers we want. Okay. Please first of all you should check the support specifications and Bluetooth drivers and Wi-Fi drivers and OS. Okay. You can check your OS. How to check OS? You can find this PC and go to the properties and go to the properties and find here about computer. You can find your OS build numbers. Okay, my number this one. It is compatible with QuickShare. Okay friends, you can find the specification from QuickShare installation page. Okay, now I am going to check my Bluetooth drivers and Wi-Fi drivers. How to do this? Okay, go to the control panel and find the device manager. Okay friends, this is the device manager and check your Bluetooth drivers. You can click here. Okay, I'm going to check the my Intel Bluetooth drivers versions. Click on properties, click on drivers. This is the driver versions. This is the driver versions. So I'm going to check with the Microsoft websites. They request 22 versions, but according to the here there is properties. This is the 19. We need to driver version 22. According to this one, I am going to tell you how to update your drivers. Okay. Okay friends, I go to the Intel websites and I download the driver support assistant. Okay, now I am going to install the driver support assistant. Okay, and I double click here. It is going to install. I close this one. Okay, yeah, we want to install the drivers first. I think Intel driver support assistance already installations. Go here and I think it is working. Okay, this is working. Okay, click on this one, accept. Yes. Okay friends, now I am installing the new drivers for the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I just installed the assistant. I just installed the Intel driver support assistant and click. Then I can find the it's open the web page and then you can see this type of updates available. Then there was a downloading button and I click on download. After download it, they will see the this application web page shows the uh, installation button here. I want to update wireless Bluetooth drivers and wireless Wi-Fi drivers. I want to install both. Then using this page I can very easily install the Wi-Fi latest versions adapters drivers and Bluetooth latest version drivers. It will take some time.